Hello, ladies and gents. Just, just me tracking Bob because I'm bored. Yeah, he knows I'm recording him now. Go potty, Bob. Yeah, it's just a garage. No! No. Stop. Let's try that again. Success! Alright, man. Thing with the garage door is, well, at least mine, is when it gets super cold out, it gets stuck. So, yeah. I have to literally push it in and push it out. Bob, stop taking your sweet time. You would think he would get cold eventually, but I mean, if you saw flashes of his face throughout this video, it's covered in snow at this point. And he's going face first into the snow bar. Bobby, come on. Inside, let's go. Come on. Come on. He listens to me so well. I know. Bobby, come. Now. Bob. There he goes. Hey. And that's it. Pointless random video vlog update out. If you like this video or like my dog, please like and subscribe to this channel for more him and anything else you would like to see. Post in comments if you want to see more drawings. I should have a streaming up soon. Yeah.